Hey, what's up everybody? It's Meredith Shurik with Svelte Training, and I'm super excited for this killer core workout. We're gonna shred your stomach. It's gonna be awesome and you're gonna love it. You guys know the deal. We're gonna go through all the exercises, do the workout, get sweaty, and here we go. So first things first, high knees is the first exercise. So you can start with marching, or we're going straight high knees. We're doing this for 30 seconds. So remember, 30 seconds here, I'm gonna go through the whole thing. Good. The next exercise is a good morning to a cross crunch. So again, I'm gonna show you that one, and then we're gonna get right into it. But we're doing 30 seconds, these high knees, really getting up and exploding off that toe, but making sure that if someone were to come and run at you, that you can kind of get out of the way. Good. Good, if you need to march, totally fine. Just make it a little bit wider. Good, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good morning to a cross crunch. So we know our good mornings. Hands come down, and then you come up, right? A good morning to a cross crunch is you come down. As you come up, you're gonna cross. Down and cross. So you're coming up, down, and cross. Going 30 seconds here. Up, down, cross. Really stretch it up. Okay, and then come across. Oof. Really stretch your stomach here. Push yourself back through your hips, and as you come up, just come across with that knee. So down, come across the knee, up. You can really come across with that and feel that difference. So notice how I'm changing, and that's really important that when you're going through these movements that you're not a robot, okay? If you feel like you need to do something differently, then do it differently, just do it the right way, right? Next exercise is a windshield wiper, okay? So on your back, crazy core exercise. Now, if you have really strong abs, you can straighten your legs. You can go not in the pool, straight over and straight over. Hands nice and wide, pressing through your back. If this is too much, bend your knees, but try and keep your shoulders on the ground. 30 seconds here. Next progression is extending, over, extend, over and extend, or just straight across. Good. You can tuck your chin to your chest as well. Helps kind of lock in those abs. Good, 3, 2, 1, and woo! Stretch it out. We're going leg raises, perfect positioning. Back yourself up a little bit. If you need your hands underneath your butt, you totally can do that. But make sure it's almost in like a diamond shape. Kind of rest your butt in between your hands, legs up, and then pulling. I want you to go slow here. Down and left. You can point your toes. You can close your eyes. You can open your eyes. You can flex your feet backwards and start to feel where the difference is there. Good, breathe. If you need to, put one leg down and just go straight up. Same thing, just keep that core nice and tight. Go ahead and switch legs if you went one leg. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch it out. We're gonna be sitting to a Russian twist. So these Russian twists are great for your obliques. So a sitting Russian twist, you can go feet down and you're just reaching. Really reaching back behind you to try and twist while maintaining that forward position with your head. So I look and I'm twisting. You can bring those feet up. You can bring the elbows over, cross the feet. It starts to really get hard on your legs, put them down. Because it's a core exercise, not a hip exercise. Good. Good, 10 seconds. Really crunch here. Reach, 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 and look forward. Reach, 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 reach. Reach, 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 and look forward. That's really gonna crunch your core. Good, 3, 2, 1, and on your back. If you guys remember that drawing in video, if you haven't seen it, it should be around here. Check it out for the back strengthening exercise, because this one right here is what you need to do to lock yourself in. So watch that video after this one, pulling this one in, locking in your core, feeling like you have everything locked in here. Flip over to do a plank hold. So the reason why I do that is because I want you to get your back where you're not feeling like you're gonna arch it right now. So from here, nice and easy, plank hold, pressing up, hands nice and wide, fingertips, nice and just not a lot of pressure, right? Pressure's in your forearms, in your butt, yes, in your butt, and in your core, of course. Belly button to your spine. If this is too much, drop the knees down. Big breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Press up on your toes. Breathe, don't hold your breath here. If you need to, drop it down, 5 seconds. Last 3 seconds, put it up, 3, 2, 1. Okay, drop it down to your stomach. Stretch it out, get some water. We're going round 2. Remember, we're starting with is high knees. So, water, stretch it out, and just take a second here. Super important that when you're jumping around, doing all this, you're getting water, you're taking your time, and you're making sure you're doing this right. So if you need to slow down, watch the other video, do that now so you know what you're doing. We're doing 5, 4, 3, 2, high knees, here we go, 30 seconds. So remember, hands can be on your side. They can even be behind your head, up on your toes, exploding through high knees. If you need to march, that's okay too. This is the second round. Chest up, shoulders back. Going good morning to that cross crunch next. Ready? High knees, get it up. Let's see if we can do just this last little bit. Good. And good morning to a cross crunch. Ready? Down, take a second here, push through your hamstrings. As you come up, come across. Down and come across. Down and come across. Now slow yourself down here. Notice how I'm sitting back on my heels. As I come up, I'm exploding through my knee. Really come here and look at your core and feel as if you're crunching and you're not just bringing your leg up for no reason, right? Down and reach. Down, really press down and reach through that knee. Good. Last one here. Boom, on your back. Windshield wipers. Here we go. This is the fun one. Lower abs. 30 seconds, ready, and go. So remember, when you're doing these, you notice how my hand is too far underneath? My butt comes up, put it down lower. It's all about adjusting what you need to do to make sure that you can do this movement. Good, pulling across, taking a second, locking it, pulling it over. Good. Good, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, last one. Up, bring them to that 90-degree angle, tabletop position. Now I want you to just lift this leg. Doing a leg lift with a 90-degree angle for that bridge there on your knee. Good, after 15 seconds, I'm gonna switch you. Good, big breath, ground down. Now switch legs. Really feel yourself pulling down into this groin, good. Groin muscle, good, pulling it down. Stabilizing your knee. If this is too much, just put that leg down. 5 seconds, 4, 3, let's go 2 together, 2, 1. And a windshield wiper, combine the movements, down, come back up, get that back moving, feet down. Take a second, because it's right into Russian twist, which is next, right? So we're just gonna slam the core on this one. No break, 3, 2, 1, and legs up for a second here. Remember, if you're feeling it too much here, sit back a little bit. Get some weight off of your legs. Feet down and twist. And twist and reach, good. As you do this, always remember, keep things tight. Keep it tight. If you need to touch whatever you're flexing, then do it to make sure that you're present in the workout, good. Last one is gonna be our plank hold. Going right into it, 3, 2, 1. From here, flip right over onto your stomach. Last but not least, plank hold. 3, 2, 1, press up, 30 seconds. Take a second here and just breathe. Push through those toes, flex everything. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Nice and wide and light on your fingertips. If you need to, drop the knees down. Keep that core nice and solid, good. Everything's in one even line. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Killer core workout. I'm dead. My core is dead. But hopefully yours is too, because the best part about it is you can do this again and look at all these other awesome videos. So if you like it and love it, make sure you check out all the other videos for the rest of your body and all of our cooking videos too, because life is about just being healthy and happy. So go check them out. See you guys in the next one.